The heart is a muscular hollow organ which right side receives deoxygenated blood from all over the body and send it to lungs for oxygenation, and the left side receives oxygenated blood from lungs and pump it out into the systemic circulation. The mechanical activity of the heart is follows electrical activity of heart. SA node, which is situated at right atrium near superior vena cava, act as pacemaker. Definition: the cardiac events that occur from the beginning of one heartbeat to the beginning of the next are called the cardiac cycle. Diastole and systole. Cardiac cycle consists of a period of relaxation called diastole and followed by a period of contraction called systole. Atrial systole is about zero point 0.1 second and diastole is about 0.7 second. Ventricular systole is about 0.3 second and ventricular diastole is about 0.5 second. You can see this is atrial systole, which is about the duration is 0.1 second, and whole other part of this is atrial diastole, which is about 0.7 second. Likewise, ventricular systole is this part, which is 0.3 second, and other all part is 0.5 second. Total duration of cardiac cycle. The total duration of cardiac cycle is the time taken by heart to complete one cycle. One cardiac cycle is one systole plus one diastole. Cardiac cycle is reciprocal to the heart rate. The heart rate is total number of cardiac cycles in 1 minute. For example, if heart rate is 72 beats per minute, the duration of cardiac cycle is 1 by 72, that is 0.0139 minutes or 0.833 second per beat. Phases of cardiac cycle. There are 7 phases of cardiac cycle: atrial contraction, isovolumic contraction, rapid ventricular ejection phase, slow ventricular ejection phase, isovolumic relaxation, rapid passive ventricular filling phase, and diastasis. Let's understand each phases one by one. Phase of atrial contraction. In this phase, atrium contracts and add 20% blood in ventricular filling. As you can see, atrium is contracting and adding blood into the ventricle. It lasts for 0.1 second. AV valves are open, semilunar valves are closed, and ventricles are relaxed. After atrial contraction, the next phase is phase of isovolumic contraction. In this phase, ventricular systole is start. ventricles start contraction so that intraventricular pressure increases, and when this pressure increases more than atrial pressure, atrioventricular valves closes, and due to closure of these valves produces S1 sound. As you can see, uh, AV valves and semilunar lunar valves, all both valves are closed. That's why ventricle is act as a closed chamber, and that's why this phase is also known as isometric contraction, because there is little or no shortening of muscles or fibers of ventricles. Also, there is no adding or no ejection of ventricular blood. That's why there is no change in volume. That's why this phase is also known as isovolumic contraction phase. Rapid ventricular ejection phase. In this phase, ventricular contraction getting strong causes opening of semilunar valves. For example, in normal person in resting state, left ventricle pressure rises up to 80 mm of mercury, then aortic valves open. This ventricular pressure rises more, up to 120 mm of mercury, and this high pressure causes ejection of ventricular blood into aorta. In this phase, 70% of stroke volume ejected into the aorta from left ventricle. AV valves remains closed. Slow ventricular ejection phase. In this phase, intraventricular volume decreases and ventricular contraction getting weaker, and the intraventricular pressure decreases. So, for example, in left ventricular, the pressure decreases from 120 mm to 80 mm of mercury, and this decrease in pressure causes slowing of ejection of ventricular blood. In this phase, only 30% of the stroke volume is ejected, but the time taken is two-thirds of ejection phase. So, in rapid ventricular ejection phase, only one-third of ejection phase time is taken. That's why this phase is slow ventricular ejection phase. AV valve remains closed in this phase. Isovolumic relaxation phase. In this phase, ventricles start relaxing, enter into diastole. Semilunar valve closes and produce second heart sound. AV valve remains closed. Rapid passive ventricular filling phase. During ventricular systole, AV valves was closed. Due to closure of AV valve, the venous return blood was accumulated in into the atrium, and this blood building the intra-atrial pressure gradually. In this phase, ventricular relaxes further and intraventricular pressure decreases below the level of intra-arterial pressure, thus opening of AV valves occur. After opening of AV valve, the accumulated blood into the atrium is fall into the ventricle. This flow of blood is rapid, and because there is no active contraction in atrium, this is called passive ventricular flow. Thus, this phase is named rapid passive ventricular filling phase. In this phase, semilunar valves remains closed. These valves. Diastasis phase. In this phase, ventricles remains relaxed, AV valves are opened, and venous return into the atrium directly fall into the ventricle. Semilunar valve remains closed. Let's summarize the phases of cardiac cycle. Atrial contraction. In atrial systole, atrial contraction occur and filling of blood from the atrium into the ventricle, which is 20% of ventricular blood. After that, ventricular systole starts and intraventricular pressure rises, which causes closure of AV valves and ventric and this pressure does not increase sufficient initially to open the semilunar valves. So, initial phase, that is isovolumic contraction phase, ventricle is contracting, but the AV valves and semilunar valves both are closed, and ventricle act as closed chamber. So, no adding or ejection of ventricular blood happen in this phase. That's why this phase is called isovolumic contraction phase. Next is rapid ventricular ejection phase. In this phase, ventricular pressure rises sufficient to open the semilunar valves and blood from the ventricle ejected into the aorta and pulmonary artery from left and right ventricles respectively. In this phase, 70% of the stroke volume is ejected from the left ventricle into the aorta. Slow ventricular ejection phase. In this phase, ventricular pressure decreases, but it is more than aortic pressure. So, the blood ejected from the left ventricle into the aorta is slow because pressure was decreased in left ventricle. Next is isovolumic relaxation. As the ventricles relaxes, intraventricular pressure decreases below the intra-aortic pressure and semilunar valve closes, which produces second heart sound. After second heart sound, this isovolumic relaxation phase starts. In this phase, semilunar valves are closed and AV valves are also closed, and ventricular getting relaxed gradually. There is no ejection of ventricular blood or adding of blood from atrium. So this is isovolumic relaxation phase. Next is rapid passive ventricular filling phase. In this phase, ventricular pressure decreases below the level of atrial pressure and AV valves open. This Opening of AV valve lead to fall of arterial blood into the ventricle. It is rapid, and that's why this is called rapid passive ventricular filling phase. This is passive because there is no active contraction in atrium. Next is diastasis. In this phase, blood receiving from venous into the atrium directly emptying into the ventricle. And next is again atrial contraction. So these phases repeat continuously. Thank you for watching the video.